Hello Guru Nation, welcome back to another quick short video. I know you guys like these short ones, that's why we're doing it. I'm here with study coordinator extraordinaire, soon pretty much site director. Are you a site director yet? You're site director?
No, I'm
Not
just
yet.
a study coordinator.
Study coordinator, let's talk about SAEs, serious adverse events, because it's very like when you're a coordinator, it could be very busy, right? And then you're supposed to let the sponsor and IRB know about a SAE within 24 hours
That's right.
of you noticing. But how do you even notice in 24 hours? Like, let's say the SAE happened yesterday and then the patient, like, how would you know the patient had one and you're reporting it in time unless you talk to the patient every day? How does that work?
Mostly the patients, we have established relationship with them and the family as well. So if the patient was, for example, had an SAE and was admitted to the hospital, we would get a call from a family member informing us of the patient's status. And from there, we report to the sponsor within 24 hours upon receiving the information.
Okay. And usually SAEs require hospitalization. So I imagine the hospital finds out they're in a study and they contact you. Does that happen more often, or it's usually the family?
If that happens, they would get in touch with Dr. Al-Jazarli, because the primary care or the oncologist is Dr. Al-Jazarli, so he is always informed.
That's the PI.
Yeah, that's the PI.
And then when it comes to SAE, because there's two forms, right? There's initial and follow-up. So just walk us through the process. As soon as you find out, let's say it happened today, somebody calls you and said, hey, you know, maybe it's a family member, hey, they ended up in the hospital due to this reason. What do you do as soon as you get off the phone?
So we would get like a little bit of information of what happened, and that is what we're going to go right in the initial SAE report that we're going to submit to the sponsor. After that, we're going to go and collect the medical records from the hospital, and we go send up the follow-up letter after that. So it's more official because
follow-up report.
Yeah,
right?
The follow-up report.
Follow-up report, okay. And the sponsor will then start requesting hospital records and all that kind of stuff. And sometimes that takes longer to get because it's the hospital.
Yes.
But as long as you're doing within 24 hours of you being notified, the initial, and then maybe several follow-ups if you're still waiting, right? Okay, so it's tough to keep track of all this, no? How do you do it as a CRC? It's tough.
Well, if there are like active patients, we just really have to be like on top of it all the time. Yeah.
All right, thank you, Claire. Good luck.
All right, thanks.